Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, eastern Stanley County and central North Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Albemarle, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Albemarle and Beijing Lake around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Piedmont Marina, Steves, El Dorado, Britain, and Cape Tales Marina. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern.
A tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m.
North Carolina,
Standard Time
Montgomery, and Stanley.
In North Carolina, Montgomery, and Stanley.